Hello guys, how's it going? In this video I will show you the bin built-in method in Python. So the bin method stands for binary, and it is a method which converts and returns the binary equivalent string of the given integer. This string will always start with the prefix 0b. So this is how the syntax looks like. The method takes one parameter which is required, and it is an integer whose binary equivalent we want to calculate. And the method will return a binary string equivalent of the given integer. If the integer is not specified, the method will raise a type error exception, highlighting that the type cannot be interpreted as an integer. Right, so let's look at examples. In the first example, we have a positive integer. And if we run this, this is the binary equivalent, which is a string. And we can see that this string starts with the 0b. Now, if we have a negative number, negative integer, this is how the equivalent string would look like. And if we would change this to, for example, a float, this should give us a type error exception. And this is because the float cannot be interpreted as an integer. All right, so if we had a function, a object, and we want to get its binary representation, we have to define the dunder index method, or returning the whatever parameter value we want to represent as in binary. So in this case, I'm returning the weight value, and if I run this, the method will return a binary representation of the weight parameter of the size object. And if we want to get rid of the 0b part of the string, we can simply run the replace method, replacing the 0b with nothing, and this will work also on the negative integers as well as the positive integers. Alright, so that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.